Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is July the 12th, 2020, and we're going to talk about Cardano today on this video. We want to see, because lately Cardano has been outpacing Bitcoin in the value recently in terms of seeing higher price. And we're going to talk about to see whether or not that's going to continue for Cardano. Okay, so you guys have been understanding that we've been tracking Cardano for a while. In our last video, which was on July the 9th, we were expecting Cardano to see market movement lower, and we played that forecast on the 3-hour chart. So let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. Hey, if this is your first time watching our video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. You guys understand the blurb that I continue to give you all in the beginning half of this video. You guys just appreciate it. Just make sure you do those things for us. The links are in the description of this video. So let's talk about Cardano on our 3-hour chart when we did our forecast, because the market was trading here when we did our video, and we were playing the weakness in Cardano to the downside. You guys can literally tell that 4.98%, you guys could at least profited in that forecast that we completed on the 9th of July. At the very bottom, you guys could have topped out around 9% profitability in this space. All right, so that is done. That is over with. We're here to give you all a heads up as to what the market in Cardano is literally doing right now. And I'm not really too euphoric or ecstatic about the strength in Cardano right now. I'm just not. And I want to show you why. So when you look at Cardano, that almost 12.5 cent level is restriction in this space. That area is holding back Cardano from moving higher in price. Now I'm going to get rid of this other line because it's our premise to make sure that our charts stay clean. Just realize that 14 cents is restriction. All right, so let's get rid of that. We're going to play the market to where the trap is actually participating in this space. All right, so let's go back to that 3-hour chart, and we have pinpointed that market weakness and restriction is coming in around 0.126. Okay. And generally over the last couple of 3-hour bars, we're still seeing indications of market weakness coming through. This 0.124 also is restriction. So the market in Cardano is not giving us a lot of strength from an hourly perspective. Okay. So even from that standpoint, we need to continue to acknowledge that Cardano is not that strong at this particular moment. When you look at Cardano on the daily time frame, you guys can still see there that the market is not exhibiting any strength right now. But it doesn't mean that the market is going to crash. So just relax. All right. The market goes through ups and downs, and we're going to play the downside movement in Cardano for the moment. Now, how low can the market go? Literally, it could come back down to 11.5 cents. Maybe even 11, but it all is dependent on how much volume and volatility comes into the market. Okay, so don't expect Cardano to move higher in price until we see it break back up above 0.126. Until then, we're going to hold this consolidation trading range, and the movement to the downside is ever increasing. Okay, so we're going to play the market in Cardano based off the language that we're seeing as of right now on this 4-hour chart to the downside. We're going to hold that restriction at 0.126. Now again, this is a very nice area of support, 12 cents. So we'll TP the market in Cardano at 12 cents. That's at least give us almost 2.2% profitability in the next market move to the downside, at least. So we'll TP it, take off a little bit around 12 cents, but I'm going to extend it down just a little bit further to around 4% profitability into the market. But again, the market in Cardano has emphasized that it is not ready to break above 0.126. So that's why we're going to continue to play this weakness into the market for Cardano. All right. So you guys got questions or comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain our profitability, and then join us on our other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and then on our own website. If you also want to see our other price forecasts and predictions against the altcoins paired against Bitcoin, it's on our website. So make sure you join us. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain our profitability, and I'll see you on the next one.